the visual field is known. It is instantly made present. It is brought into existence the moment that consciousness rests upon it. But consciousness is not an entity of its own, casually moving through space, creating the world at its will. Both consciousness and world are mutually arising. When a sight arises out of the void, consciousness is spontaneously created, along with the scene. There is no division. When a sound emerges from the silence, consciousness of the sound and the sound itself are spontaneously created together. And when the sound dies away, or is overshadowed by something more tantalizing, then the consciousness dies with that sound, and a new consciousness arises with the new sense apparition. There's not one single consciousness or awareness, just as there is no single eye or bank of fog. The world is in a constant state of death and rebirth, as the interplay of consciousness and light, sound, aroma, taste, and feelings are born and die away, moment after moment after moment. It's unnecessary to create a pattern to these arising bits of information. They are, and then they are not. That's all. You are, and then you are not. That is all. Again and again throughout the day you have died and been reborn anew countless times. With every twitching repositioning of the eye or perceived bodily ache or itch. It's only the faculty of memories, those internal and external to this body, which gives the impression that there is continuity here. In actuality, there is only the fleeting and impermanent. In any given instant, there is timeless stillness, but notice how briefly this timeless moment actually lasts. It's replaced nearly immediately by another, with a new variation of our small wedge of spotlit world. Each of these arisings is the birth of a new universe, entirely fresh and uniquely individual. This universe has never existed before or ever will again. Its appearance is a mystery and a wonder. Why take something so precious for granted? Every flashing appearance of existence is a unique and priceless work of art. We forget to appreciate them because it seems that we are wealthy beyond measure when it comes to these perceptual wonders. Until we aren't. One day, consciousness will no longer arise in conjunction with the world, and both will cease to be. The bank of fog will someday disperse into something with a pattern that is no longer recognizable. Lone water molecules suspended in air. Destined for new lives as flowers, rivers, the bodies of humans, animals, and insects. Then what will become of the transient appearance of you? Of this pattern that others easily recognize, that they have named, categorized, and used to create a whole lifetime of expectations. Where will its molecules, bacteria, atoms find their next home? And will that same miraculous consciousness appear when each of them encounters another part of a world known only to it? All we know is what is right here, right now. In this unique, strange, and beautiful flash of a timeless yet fleeting universe. When it is fully lived, that ephemeral flash is more than enough.